Hey.
Hey, sorry for that.
You're good. You're good. Rafe, right?
What's that? Yeah, Rafe.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm Rafe.
Hey.
Is Em coming? Yeah, she's on her way. That's right. Our sister. It's always the sister. Always the sister.
You're good. Don't worry.
I like the lights in here, man.
Oh, thank you.
Very festive. Yeah, this is awesome.
Yeah, I like the lights here too. It's crazy here.
Yeah, dude. Mom started puking Christmas here recently.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Thank you. Yeah. It's kind of developed, like she kind of goes crazier a little more every year.
Yeah, for sure.
Now we kind of got to the point where there's like some people that start to like ride through here.
I love that.
Yeah.
It's like a hotel, you know?
That's funny.
Lovely.
Yeah,
wow.
Dude. It's getting great, and I'm excited to see what she thinks of for next year. I don't
Right?
know.
Yeah.
Where are you from? Are you from Colorado?
No, from Seattle.
Oh, Seattle?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
What about you?
Yeah, I'm from here. I'm from Colorado. Yeah.
Nice.
But yeah. What brought you to Colorado?
Just my job.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Were you?
Do you want to see it
Thanks
front?
for waiting, bro. Yeah,
Right,
if that's okay with you.
Yeah, go for it. You need
Whatever
to
you're
adjust a little
comfortable
bit. Yeah. Let's go over.
Awesome.
All right.
Awesome. All right.
Let's go.
Thanks a ton. Aaron, right?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm Rafe. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
From Seattle, yeah.
Seattle?
We were just getting into
right
that.
on.
Wow.
Right on.
I
See
have a
this?
customer.
Aaron, this might be one of them I was just telling you.
Where's the homeland, like originally?
South Korea.
South Korea?
Yep.
How long you been here in America?
Like 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I feel like I would definitely speak worse English if I was.
No shit. For sure.
I'm
No
trying to learn
question.
Spanish right now, and dude, yeah.
Hey.
I was just studying abroad in Argentina, and I
Really?
felt illiterate there.
Nice.
But we're working on it. We're getting better.
I tried to learn Spanish, but it's really tough, you know?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like,
It's a big distance from South Korean, or Korean, I guess.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah. South
you-
Korea is pretty cool, though. I watched Physical 100.
oh yeah, right.
Physical 100 is awesome, bro.
Right? Yeah, it was cool.
Yeah, dude, I love that show. South Korea's been putting out a lot of good TV recently.
Yeah, recently a lot of programs on the Netflix.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
I think Netflix recognized, oh, it's a good one. You know,
Yeah.
like invested here.
Because like Squid Game's phenomenal.
It's coming.
Phenomenal.
The second one is coming. You know that?
Hell yeah. No, I
Yeah.
didn't know that. I
Yeah,
didn't know
tomorrow. Yeah, I think
No
tomorrow.
shit!
Tomorrow or
No shit.
28th.
that.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, the first one is coming.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
awesome.
first episode.
Yeah, man. The
It's
South Koreans
exciting.
started putting a lot of money into their Hollywood, and it paid out. You guys are doing great shit.
Yeah.
I mean, Squid Games is like the best thing that came out in the last 3 years. Hollywood's been
so,
sitting
yeah.
on their ass.
Right.
Yeah, Squid Games is killer. I'm trying to think of what else I've seen. Mainly Squid Games, probably, in Physical 100. Honest to God. Aaron, so those games in Squid Games, are those really South Korean kid games?
Yeah, most of them are.
Did you play them?
I used to play them. Yeah,
No
when I was a
way.
kid. Yeah.
That's so cool.
It is, yeah.
That's so cool.
Right.
What about that square game? Did you guys play the square game? The origami squares where you like slap it
Oh
down?
yeah.
Oh,
I
that's
used to do that
awesome,
one a lot.
dude. That's
right.
so cool.
Sometimes I use a newspaper or just
Yeah.
A4 paper or whatever, any paper you
Yeah.
can use it.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Did you like Squid Games?
Oh yeah, I
Yeah?
watched them and I did the costume too.
Dude, that's awesome. That's awesome, bro. I watched it like
Yeah.
3 times. I love that
Really?
show. I love that show.
I mean, I wore the mask before, and it was really hard to breathe. You know?
Yeah. Oh, that's funny, dude. Because not to generalize Asian culture, but I see like in anime,
Yeah.
it's very philosophical, right?
right.
And like Squid Games is actually really philosophical.
I
like
think so.
because like they're all the head guys are dressed like pigs. They got the pink
Right.
skin on, right? And like you're
Right.
walking through like what looks like a kid's play set.
Right.
And it's all this commentary
It has
on like
meaning in it.
yeah,
Every
dude.
single item.
It has very deep meaning. I love that. Like
Yeah.
a lot of Hollywood shit is just super fucking bullshit
Right.
now.
Some
you know?
YouTuber decoding what that means or what the
Yeah.
scene means,
Yeah.
Yeah, one by one. So
Yeah, it's like I think it's like technically a critique of capitalism,
right.
which is honestly kind of fair. Like at the end of like we're kind of in late stage capitalism right now, you know, like in America it's like it's not going so well because after you
Right.
start buying out companies
Yeah.
and saving companies that should go under, it's not capitalism true,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
And so I like love the Squid Games thing because they make these people play these games like they're gonna get this money. Like people try to climb the ladder, but they die. You know, like they die trying to climb the ladder, and I was just like, fuck, dude, like this is deep. You know.
Yeah.
I liked it a lot though. Like
That's
Squid Games is
crazy.
cool, and it's dude the fact that they only pulled people who were in debt in too. Like for Americans, like that hit because like all Americans are in debt. Like 90% of Americans are in debt. You know.
Yeah.
So like that was, I don't know, that was really cool. That was really cool. Koreans are one of the healthiest cultures, right?
Yeah.
That's so cool. That's so
Yeah.
cool.
Are there any blue zones in South Korea?
Blue zone?
One of the
As in like the zones where like people live a long time with great.
one of the blue zones is Korea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Korea and Japan.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right.
And it's like the blue zone shit is kind of bullshit because it's like in Japan and Korea they eat a lot of fish and rice.
Right.
So it's not like
Tofu too,
vegetarian, you know? Yeah.
like keto.
Yeah.
Keto
yeah.
diets, maybe.
Yeah, you guys are perfect for keto. I love that. No, that's awesome. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are we
Almost there.
Yeah, no, we're close. We're close.
Yeah.
For whatever reason, I thought we're supposed to go straight through these.
If I put in that or you put in the address.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we're probably fine.
Oh, I thought you guys are going to like casino or somewhere.
No, just going to visit. Oh no, this is the right way.
Yeah,
This is the right way. I'm so bad at
Snow.
directions.
Oh, there is snow.
Yeah, there is.
And now I'm scary.
Oh, that's
Hopefully I can survive.
yeah. We'll make it. We'll make it. I believe it.
Oh, you guys are siblings, right?
Yeah, all three of us.
Hey,
Yeah.
that's so cool.
Yeah. It's a ton of
Nice.
fun.
I'm the youngest.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good for you.
Right? He knows. He gets it. He gets it. That's awesome.
I mean,
Aaron, what a pleasure, man.
yeah, nice to meet you,
Great
guys.
meeting you.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you,
nice
man.
to meet
Take
you.
care.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet
Take
you.
care.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas
Yeah.
to you as well.
Have a good night.
You as well, man.
All right. Oops. Hey, watch
shit.
out.
It's okay. It's okay.
Aw.
Here, one sec.
Yeah,
Here you go,
just-
brother. You have a
thanks
great
so
night.
much.
You have a great
you
night.
too. Pray for me.
Yeah, I will. Make it back safe.
You alright? Good night.
Yeah, bro.
근데 진짜 착하다. 이마 왜 이렇게 넓어 보여? 진짜 착하다. 너무 착한데 나 어떻게 나가지? 여기 눈이 있네. 지금 제가 온 곳이 산악지형이어가지고 지금 어떡하지? 집 어떻게 가지? 여기 이렇게 눈이 많이 왔는데. 오 밖에 약간 헛돌려 그래. 오 아무튼 이렇게 한국에 관심이 많은 친구가 있을 줄이야. 되게 또 잘생겼었어. 이 친구가 되게 잘생겼어서 웃을 때 누구 닮았다고 해야 되지? 다니엘 헨리? 다니엘 헨리 닮은 상이어가지고 이렇게 해야지. 되게 잘생겼는데 아니 남매가 다 예쁘고 잘생겼어. 그래도 올 때는 이 친구들이랑 얘기하면서 와가지고 되게 좀 안 외롭고 재밌었는데 갈 때는 완전 혼자 무슨 로드트립 하는 것 마냥 좀 가야 되네요 또.